Stays on this one longer than it does any of the others. Now, can we see? Yeah, it's still right there. Guess they're not going in the hole. They're doing, I know exactly what they're doing. Now we can't see nothing. Boy, sometimes it takes a screen a long time to clear up. Y'all notice that? It used to get clear a little bit quicker, but they ain't doing that no more for some reason. But they definitely are making progress, folks. They really are. They have done a lot of work to this place. And where? Oh, there he is now. He moved on over. Oh, I know what he did. He laid it down. He laid the crane down. Now he's going down in the hole down here with the other stuff. They're fixing to drop the concrete right there at the bottom down here. Now you can see it. It's right there. Fixing to pour it right there. There you go. They just dropped it. Pouring it right now. Wow. That's cool. But they are definitely getting in different places with this stuff now, that's for sure. Now we're over here on our frequency rings. I figured we'd come get us a little peep shot of that today. And we got one here, one there, one here, one here, one there, one here, 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 got another one down here, right there, here, 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 one there, and damn, well, there's one there too. So we got a total today, unless I'm missing some, of 16 different frequency interferences on radar anomalies. And knowing what that means is there's another frequency somewhere causing that issue, whether it be a cell tower or coming from a very high powered frequency from something like the woodpecker or something to that effect, harp, or so be it. Now, to give us a little update today, as you can see, everything looks as if it shut off again. Isn't that just wonderful? Let's just wait and see if these change after the next few seconds to see if they're lying again.